Right, hello everybody. Just a quick sort of thing I just want to show you on a video. So you've probably seen on my videos I've been trying to get a bit more accuracy. I'm an hobbyist, I'm a lot of sort of learner woodworker. And some of the tools I've had, like what I'm trying to do is get cost effective tools that can sort of like benefit everybody. So like things like I was using this speed square, which was really good. I bought it off Banggood, not a problem. So I thought, what's out there that's cost effective, that's easy to use, with the reviews are like more accuracy. And what I come across was these like a range of Japanese tools. So these are some I bought. I bought these 4 last week. I've had that one for a while now. I've been using these since I bought them for about a week or so. Now I thought I'd treat myself to an early birthday present. My birthday's next June. We're now in October, but you know, it's this what we do, isn't it, really? So I come across this brand Shinwa stainless steel tools, and they're absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for stuff on a sort of budget, they're not budget tools, but they're super accurate and really good. Like with me with my glasses, and I'm looking for proper accuracy, things I can see easy. This 30cm rule and this 15cm rule here. I mean, the 15cm one is really thin, but I like that. The quality's superb, and they've got this little feature on the end here where it says pick up. You just press it, so if you're on a flat surface you can just lift it like that, or you can pick it up like that. These are fantastic. Now the rulers, this little one here was £6.90 from Amazon. I will put links to all these down below. These were all bought with my own money. I paid for these. Now if you do purchase them through my links on Amazon, I'll be up front, I get a little kickback, but that's not why I'm doing it. It's just so I can show all the sort of newbie woodworkers, if you're wanting better quality tools on that budget, this is the way to go, trust me. This one here was £11.80, but it is really good quality, and it's all in sort of 1mm scale. There's no half-millimetre scales on there. It's sort of like the anti-glare thing you've got on it, so it's like I can see that perfectly. Like it's just really easy to read, and I think, you know, my other ruler, my other steel ruler now is redundant. These are just tucked right over. I've been using them a week, fantastic. It's got all sort of Japanese sort of thing on the back. I haven't got a clue what all that's about on the back of them, but again, cool. So that's what they are. Now I've got electronic calipers in there, and what I find is sometimes is they were only cheap calipers. I think I paid less than 20 quid for them. So I seen these are again a Shinwa. Now the sort of mechanical sort of calipers, you pull it across, again super accurate, easy to use. You can put this in your pocket. It's got like the depth thing on the bottom there, and you know, it just takes a bit of getting used to reading them, but they are fantastic. Again, super easy to use. The quality's, I think the quality's good. It's stainless steel. I'm not affiliated to this company or whatever. I was just sort of blown away by the how good these are for the price. Now they were £17.85, but you're getting a really good stainless steel, super accurate tool which will last you forever. Now my electronic calipers, I try not to use them because I don't do super accurate work anyway, but I am trying to make that, and they won't do that job, that will. So as I progress, I know I've got them, and I know they will help, and I've already used them this week on one of the projects I'm doing, which you'll see the videos to in due course. The next thing I do is this sort of like mitre, stainless steel mitre tri-square type device. Again, stainless steel, good scales on it, and I wanted to upgrade from this because what I found was I did an accuracy test on this, and this edge here wasn't quite accurate. Now I had a few cuts. I always check my mitre saw, my table saw, all that kind of stuff, and the cuts just were out a little bit no matter what I did. So I did the accuracy test with that, it were out, but this one, the Shinwa one, is super accurate, and you can see how much that one's out through the gap there. Now I have checked this one with a few things and I know it's super accurate, but I don't know if you can get it there on the camera. But anyway, just take me word for it, that's out a little bit. It's still very usable for what beginners and all that can do. I've got no problems with that, it's still a good tool, but that is a step up. That is a step in the right direction. Now that one come at £17.92. So, you know, you can buy stuff that's sort of aluminium, all that kind of stuff for 20 quid, 20 quid plus. If you want to go up to the high-end tools, yeah, you can do, but that's just as accurate as the high-end tools and the quality is the same. So that is super cool. Now last but not least, now I've had this for a while and I've been reviewing it and I've been used it a few times. I don't get much use out of it, but when I have used it, it's been super brilliant. I mean really good. It's a Japanese rasp, a Shinto rasp, says it there, made in Japan. It's got a really coarse side and a really fine side. And believe me, go and have a look at some of the other reviews on YouTube of this. It takes off a lot of material, and for like getting that material off fast, hardwoods, softwoods, everything. I can't recommend that enough. It's about 20 quid on Amazon again, and I will, like I said, I'll put links to all these. So anyway, that's that. I just had to show you these because I was just sort of blown away by them four, so I thought I'll include that in this video because it is a Japanese tool. I'll be looking into more Japanese tools as well because I think there's just something about them. So anyway, don't forget my video on Wednesday where I've got this project that's coming along. I'm now on Tuesday, I'll be building this sort of later on today, so everything will be edited up for tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll put the links down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all watching, you're all amazing.